Hello everyone, it's nice meeting you all today again. Now today I'm going to be doing the video on my computer. Now I'll be showing you something very amazing. I'm using this Chrome and I'm doing it on PC today. So I'll be showing you how to create a website the easiest way. This is the world of AI and you need to know how to get everything done for you. So now let's go to V0. Just check V0, then click on V0. Then the next thing is, okay, now let me see, I need a blog. Now just follow me. The same way, come here and look for Supabase. So go to Supabase. Okay, what's going on here? Refresh. Okay, so start a project and sign up. Okay, so sign up with GitHub. So sign up with Google. And so create account. Now what we are doing here is that we are ensuring that we have a Supabase account. So then authorize. You can see what I'm doing. I signed up to Supabase. From there, sign up to GitHub, as if you don't have a GitHub. And that is that for Supabase. So, and behold, we have it to tell us to give our organization. So whatever, just give the name of your organization. Ensure that you're on the free plan. Create organization. So after creating organization, now we have new projects, so you can call it any name. Yes, so just give it a name. Just blog. So give it a password. Okay, choose my own. So I create a password, then okay, so I create a project. So I have a project now, and I'm good to go. So now I have a database. So the next thing is I'll say create a blog where I can post content about sports and the latest sports updates with proper SEO set up from scratch. Just observe what I'm doing. Now the next thing I say is, okay, ensure it has a posts page where I can post and link it to Supabase. That's for database. Then the next thing is a home page for most recent posts and a about us page explaining what we do. Ensure it meets up with AdSense quality for monetization. Okay, so now that's pretty much it, and let there be a contact us page that sends every info to my email. So can give them an email. So gang below me. So okay, so they say sign in. So I'm signing in, and there are several options, but I'll use GitHub. Hence I already signing GitHub with the other one, so just sign in with GitHub, and it's as easy as that. Social account not yet connected to Vercel user. Okay, whatever. Well, you can just sign up with a social account. What matters is you sign up, and should take us sign up with GitHub. I was trying to log in. Okay, so we accept the terms. Now we have $5, and then we have V0. So create a blog and all that. So the next thing is it begins to think for me and start implementing everything. Now it's telling me here to install Supabase. So I'll install Supabase. Once the installation is done, an error call. Connect it. So wait, and the whole installation will proceed, and we should have everything set up. Just wait for it to keep doing its own work. What's the error again? Okay. Allow. So it's creating database. Now this is building a whole full website with database, everything. Like this website is standard website. Do you understand? This is called vibe coding. Yes. So if you check here, you notice that our credits has reduced to 4. That's what we are doing right now. So we are using credits. You can buy credits when you need them, but at least I believe that the $4 credit we have can create it to the very end. Yes. So okay, that's going very fast. So let me just, while that is working, let me say Supabase.com. Just to show you that what is happening here is also, now you can see creating header and layout. That's Next.js. Supabase. What's going on? Supabase. So let's go here. And dashboard, organization, one project. Something is not right here. Okay, start blog. Okay, this must be it. Let me check the tables. No tables yet. Database. That's strange. Okay, this is the Vercel version. So let's check this. Tables, we should see some tables. Now this is it. You can see that we have post and content submit. Yes, that is what this created. So we have 3 point something and we still have a long way to go. So it's doing everything, like it's creating website, creating database, doing everything for you. Now this is a skill on its own. You can take this skill and decide to go online and tell people, I can create a website for you, a vibe coding website. I can create a full website for you. Now you just need to buy enough AI credits and you can get several websites done. That is a skill on its own. So I believe it's something so valuable, aside from the fact that you use money tag and you can monetize it, SEO and all that. You can also use this as a service on its own. Do you understand? So that's just, for me, I think that is so valuable. Yeah. Now moving to the next task, 6 out of 7 tasks. So our $5 was able to get a whole full website. Now that's crazy. Yes, because you can imagine trying to do something like this. Meanwhile, it is difficult to write a single line of code. Like, let's say you're just working on the login. It can be very difficult to work on a login page, mostly with Next.js, because this pattern I'm looking at looks like Next.js. So now this vibe coding platform is creating the entire thing without me even stressing myself. You can see it's creating admin page at the moment. So admin page, everything, the full website will be ready. The advert, I'll just add it, and once I add the advert, we have a full website, fully functional. It's just for me to get a domain, link it to Vercel, and we are good to go. Now that is massive. That is massive. Yes, that is really, really great. Yes. So That's the beauty of this platform. Wow, so we're waiting for some minutes for it to be through with the post. Ensure you watch the video to the very end. So let's check our database and let's refresh. You can see we have contact submission. We also have posts, author name, publish, views. So you can see this is amazing. Let me move this to this place. Then let me clear everything else. We only need these 2 pages. Now let me create admin dashboard with post creation. That's the final, and we are at 2.4. That is amazing. Yeah, really amazing, you know, having this full website with everything ready. Now you can see it's adding the privacy policy and term pages for AdSense compliance. That's amazing. So you want to build a website, you want to code anything, you want to show people the business you do, you can do it here, and it's going to be very easy to do everything for you, the design, everything, like everything. And you may be wondering, where will I get the informations I will use? Well, you don't need to bother about that. Yes, AI also will provide the information as well. So that's just amazing. Now there are functions. Okay, no functions here yet. Tables. You should have some tables. Now this is 6 column table, 13 column table. Let me check. Okay, something is going on here. Wow, it's created cookies and everything. Now this is amazing. Sign up for an admin account, auth, sign up, blah blah blah. Well, let's check the code. Let's check what type of code pattern do we have. We have an app that is in, now this pattern I'm looking at, layouts, global CSS. This is, you can see robots TS. Now this is amazing. I love this. Wow. Sitemap. This is awesome. Now this is a Next.js project. Yes, from the arrangement I'm seeing here, this is a Next.js project. So let's view. Warming up preview, so you can preview everything before you put it live. And you have your link. It's simple, super simple, so it's not something that difficult. And if you want to connect your URL, like you want to have, let me say, sportblogs.com, something like that, I can also show you that, but that's not what I'm doing right now. I can show you how to get a cheap domain of around $9 to $10, so you don't have to put more focus on domain. You put focus on getting the crowd, getting SEO, getting good content, posting it, getting people to engage with it, and your money is rolling in. So this is just super amazing, and this is the best and easiest way to create website. So it's just so amazing, and I'm so excited. We spent less than 3 credits. Now this is what a developer will spend, let me say, a month or maybe 2 months. Well, a very fast developer will probably spend around let me say 2 weeks maximum, minimum rather. So that's what this code is doing with $3. Wow. Now AI is really rocking the market right now. But yet, with all this, some people may not know how to use it. Yes, they may not know how to use it, and once they don't know how to use it, it will also affect how much they can make in the market. Some people are still writing every bit of code by themselves, and for me, that doesn't make any sense. I just feel like, why should you write every code when AI can do a huge chunk of the task that you are handling? Now I'm waiting for this preview because I want this preview so that I can show you here before we now make the website live. And I also want to add, so we're still going to use a little more credit because I'm going to be adding money tag. So at least you see that everything is monetized and you can enjoy your blog, have it posting everywhere and making waves, So that is just super amazing. I'm so excited about this already. Okay. Now let me hold on for a few minutes. Now we have the full website, and what did I do? I clicked on this, publish, there was publish here, and then link it to GitHub and all that. So it's a very simple process. So you just click on that publish, then ensure that you follow through and you have everything set up. Another thing you can do is you can click on Vercel, click on GitHub, then you can connect GitHub before you click on publish. And you can also give it a name, can rename projects or that before. Now this one, domain, you can see I changed the name here, can call it any name. And after that, the next thing is click on publish. But now I've already published and this is what we have. You can see this is amazing. So it tells me to